Hi, it's Sandy Beckwith from BuildBookBuzz.com, and today I want to show you a quick tip for bringing your branding colors from your author website over to Canva so that when you create social media images there, they will be consistent with the image you've put out for your author website. It's really easy, and it starts by downloading the eyedropper extension for the Chrome browser. Just Google Chrome eyedropper extension. It will take you to this page where you can download and install it to your browser toolbar, and it will show up with this little eyedropper icon here. Now let me show you how easy that is to use. Coming back to my own website, let's say I want to select this color, this light green color from one of those little conversational balloons. I go up to the eyedropper and I click on that, and it says pick color from web page. So I select that, and then I move my cursor over to the color I want to select. You can see there's that little, see that box that keeps changing color? This tells me it's picking from where my cursor is. I click on that. I go back up to the eyedropper, and you can see right here the color numbers that different systems assign to that color. I've learned from experience that Canva uses this first one for sure, so I copy that. Then I go over to the image I've got set up on Canva. Now I picked this random template for social media images that Canva pre-supplies over here in the template section. And what I want to do is change this mustard yellow background color. So you can see it's indicated here in the color block. I click on that, and then in this search box here, I paste the color number I selected. Now you see, here it is, and here are other colors in that family, or that go well with it. So now I just select the one from my search, and you see that the background has changed. It's really that easy. You download eyedropper, you go to your site, pick the color you want to use, go up here and select that option from the eyedropper, move over to that color, go back up to eyedropper, copy and paste from up here, and then go over to Canva to make that difference with the color block. I hope this helps you. Please do let me know if you have any questions about this. You do want your colors from your website to be carried throughout your social media presence online. So do start using this handy tip. I think you'll like it.